Timing and precision define the harvest of potatoes for fries.
Only the best potatoes move forward for fries.
Flow never stops in large-scale potato harvesting.
Harvested potatoes are staged for the journey ahead.
Quality control starts before the factory doors.
Protection preserves freshness from field to factory.
The supply chain begins its long drive.
Scale is everything in America's potato industry.
Nothing is left to chance at this scale.
From soil to system, the journey continues. Logistics keep the fries industry alive. Every delivery enters a controlled system. Every pound is accounted for.
Human precision guides heavy machinery.
Final checks protect product integrity.
This is the threshold between agriculture and industry. Raw materials enter a controlled environment. Scale defines modern fries production. From open fields to sealed systems. Cleanliness starts before washing. This hall feeds the entire factory. Balance keeps production steady. Many inputs become one system. Consistency matters at every step. Water becomes the next tool.
Processing officially begins.
Every detail supports sanitation. Pacing prepares the next stage. The cleaning phase is about to begin. Cleaning starts with controlled force.
Motion and water do the heavy work.
Only clean potatoes move forward. Efficiency supports scale. Now imperfections become visible.
Human eyes catch what machines miss.
Standards stay uncompromised. Technology refines the selection.
Precision happens in milliseconds.
Uniformity shapes every fry.
This stream feeds the core process.
Controlled dryness protects equipment. Elevation moves production forward. The line climbs toward transformation.
Peeling begins with heat and pressure.
Skins separate without cutting into flesh.
Flesh stays intact.
Nothing goes to waste. Quality is verified again.
Uniform surfaces matter.
Cleanliness resets the process.
Orientation defines fry shape. This moment creates the fry.
Millions take shape every hour.
Every cut has a purpose. Every cut has a purpose. Now structure will be stabilized. Blanching prepares fries for their final texture.
Heat reshapes the potato from within. Timing makes the difference.
Consistency is engineered.
Moisture is reduced before heat.
Air replaces water.
This is partial cooking.
Structure locks into place. Balance defines quality. Cooling stabilizes texture.
Eyes never stop watching.
Preservation is next.
Freezing locks quality in place.
Temperature drops in seconds.
Uniform freezing prevents damage.
Every degree is monitored.
Frozen fries are now stable.
Automation maintains balance.
Artificial vision replaces guesswork. Decisions happen instantly.
Data drives every action.
Order prepares precision.
Safety is never optional.
Accuracy starts early.
The line advances again.
Final refinement begins.
Finishing perfects the surface. Flavor begins with balance.
Nothing is left to chance.
Every piece carries consistency. Uniform layers ensure accuracy. Weight defines every package.
Precision responds instantly.
Final human confirmation.
Texture is preserved.
Everything converges here. Brand meets product.
Every seal protects freshness.
Invisible threats are eliminated. Texture is quantified.
Color defines consumer trust.
The batch is cleared. Individual packs become shipments.
Destination is defined.
The final journey begins.
And this is how modern factories produce fries from start to finish.
Industry feeds the future.